Morning traders, and this is your Aussie South African top 40 review for today. So we're fairly close to the pullback area I'm looking for, which is pretty much between 50,000 and 49,885. And you can see I'm taking pretty much off the 3 hour here. That is my fractal level there. Okay, I have a 200 EMA there, and if I look at the 4 hour, you'll see it's also a 4 hour fractal level. And we're sort of flirting with the 4 hour 200 EMA at the moment. All my oscillators are indicating we need to start looking for an entry. Look at the divergence here. There's a low, higher low at the moment, and look at the divergence. So obviously for the divergence to play out, we need to get some sort of confirmation off here. This last bar here is not valid. It's my broker again. Basically what happens, my broker, pretty much when the US markets close, for some reason it prints a bar. Okay, so at the open that will be sorted out. So at the moment, yes, the trend is down. We do have futures close out today, so there is probably going to be quite a bit of volatility in this area. Okay, so I'd almost kind of put a level as something like that, I would assume. I think there's going to be two there. All I'm doing is I'm taking the inside tails here. Okay, so looking at the hour, that is the situation. We've had 2 days of down, of pretty much a retracement. We do have a gap to the downside still as well, so that is a bit of a warning. A failure for longs at the moment is going to be all the way down the bottom here. Okay, so this is 48,968. But bear in mind, futures market closes out today, so you're going to start a new chart pretty much this from today onwards. Okay, so this channel here is what we're looking for, a break or a continuation. So if the continuation does continue, then we can expect to move down towards the gap close. And as I say, this previous swing low is our stop loss area. The last thing that we need to do here is just put a Fibonacci on here so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So you can see 61.8 ties up with a daily level, ties up with moving averages. So this is an area of interest. Okay, so this is definitely the area that I'm watching. A break up out of this channel. There's a nice sort of medium-term trade back to test the highs. If we get through the highs, then we can look for a second move. Second move, pretty much from there to there, and something like that. Let's just tidy this up and come to the daily. And that second move takes us pretty much back into this area of congestion here. Okay, so that second move, if it plays out, is well worth 2,700 points. Okay, so for me, quite a simple setup today. I'm not busy, not looking to trade this chart, not the September chart anyway, but we'll look for the December chart. And that's the chart that I want to trade, but I'm only going to start looking at that from after 12 o'clock, because I suspect we're going to bounce around in this area as everybody tries to defend their positions. Okay, so basically the futures market, you're going to have guys that are trading puts and guys that are trading pulls, which is longs and shorts, and they're going to try and keep the price of the actual instrument as close to their guesstimates as possible so that they can maximize their profit. So if they're moving away from their entry, they'll start pushing the price down. If they're moving down away from the entry, they're going to try start pushing their price back up. Okay, so that's what you're going to get today. A lot of not confusion, but a lot of backwards and forth, almost like a tennis match, until 12:15. Okay, So for me, staying out of it till after 12, then we'll have a look at it. But this is the area of interest for me. Okay. So I'm definitely looking around this 50,000 level. So you can see it starts at, what's that? That is 50,000 exact. And this is 49,885. That's the area that I'm watching. Okay. So obviously what I'd be looking for is on a lower time frame, looking for some kind of a positive price action. Now, if the futures market wasn't involved, that would be the level I'd be looking for, this double top area here. Okay, and you can see the 12 minutes, what's happening here. Prices moving down, awesome oscillator starting to move up. Okay, so there's definitely an area of interest for me. Okay, there we go. That's it for me today. Sitting in my hands until 12 o'clock, and then watch what happens. But I'm looking for more than likely a break above 5200 or 5210 with a stop, a nice close stop below the low of yesterday, which would be 49,960. Drop it down, 49,950, 49,940, probably safer. Okay, that's kind of what I'm looking for. Okay, anyway, guys, hope that helps, and catch you later. Cheers for now.